Today we're going to talk about 13 tips for growing healthy and strong hair. Don't comb wet hair. Wet hair is more fragile and susceptible to breakage. Wait until your hair is dry before combing or brushing. Sleep with a silk scarf. Sleeping with a silk scarf can help reduce friction between the hair and the pillow, which can lead to less breakage. Maintain a healthy diet. A balanced diet is essential for the health of your hair. Make sure to consume proteins, iron, zinc, and B-complex vitamins. Eggs are rich in protein, biotin, and B vitamins, which help strengthen the hair and stimulate growth. Massage the scalp. Scalp massage can increase blood flow and stimulate hair growth. Use your fingertips to massage the scalp for a few minutes every day. Use appropriate products. Use hair products appropriate for your hair type. Inappropriate products can damage the hair and cause breakage. Avoid heat. Excessive heat can damage the hair and make it brittle. Avoid excessive use of hair dryers, flat irons, and curling irons. Protect hair from the sun. UV rays can damage hair, making it fragile and brittle. Use a hat or UV protection products whenever possible. Avoid stress. Stress can have a negative impact on the health of your hair. Try to reduce stress in your daily life. Maintain good scalp hygiene. Keeping the scalp clean and healthy is essential for hair growth. Use products appropriate for your hair type and avoid scratching or rubbing the scalp forcefully. Do hair treatments. Regular hair treatments, such as nourishing masks and oils, can help strengthen hair and promote growth. Choose quality products that are suitable for your hair type. Avoid tight hairstyles. Tight hairstyles, such as tight ponytails and braids, can pull hair from the root and lead to breakage. Avoid these hairstyles or use them in moderation. Don't sleep with hair tied up. Sleeping with hair tied up in a ponytail or bun can put excessive pressure on the hair, causing breakage and damage. Release your hair before sleeping. Reduce the use of chemical products. Frequent use of chemical products on hair, such as dyes and straighteners, can damage hair and affect its growth. Consider reducing the use of these products or opting for more natural alternatives. With these tips, you can help keep your hair healthy and strong and promote healthy and beautiful growth. Remember to be patient and consistent in your hair care, and you will see long-term results. Thank you for watching, and until the next video.